What is luxury bedding? If you've ever spent the night sleeping on luxury bedding, then you know it can be a magical experience. Not only are luxury sheets and comforter sets sumptuously soft, but they also offer exceptional breathability, so you stay cool and dry on even the hottest of summer nights. How to choose luxury bed sheets. First, select the material. When it comes to selecting high-end bedding, material is one of the primary considerations. After all, sheets are the bedding item that comes into the most contact with skin, and choosing the wrong sheets can lead to a host of negative side effects from night sweats to acne. Thread counts is a very important thing that give you soft and smooth feel. How to create a luxury bed. Add comforter. A quilted blanket made up of a fabric bag filled with down or synthetic fibers. A comforter keeps sleepers warm on chilly nights while helping a bed feel cozy. Add pillows. No luxury bedding set is complete without an assortment of pillows. You probably know beds need traditional pillows to support your head and neck while you sleep. If you want to buy luxury bedding, go to Latest Bedding, where we have 10,000 plus luxury beddings. Happy shopping!